Hi, friends. So, for STEAM today, I had a couple of questions. We're learning about Thanksgiving and about turkeys. And so, I have some things here. I've got a little half of a paper towel or toilet paper roll, and I've got some feathers, and I've got some construction paper. And so, my question to start with is, can I make a turkey, just a pretend one, from these things? And then, if I can I use my Legos or maybe some popsicle sticks or anything else around the house to hide my turkey? Because, we've been talking about how the turkey was hiding from the cook. We sang, 5 fat turkeys are we. We slept all night in the tree. When the cook came around, one couldn't be found, and that's why we're here, you see. So, I want to know first, can I make a turkey? Can I make this into something that looks like a turkey? Now, what does a turkey have? Right here. Yeah, his beak, kind of like his nose. So, I've got a little piece of orange construction paper. And do you know what shape I'm going to draw for this? I'm going to draw a triangle. A triangle has 3 sides. A triangle has 3 sides. Now, it can't be huge because my my little paper towel roll is not that big. And then I need my scissors. So I'm going to cut out my triangle. Now here at my house, I don't have the same kind of glue that I have at school, and I didn't bring it home. So I'm going to use, this is called rubber cement. Okay, some of you might have rubber cement at home, but it works just like glue. There we go. So there's his beak. And then, I'm going to draw a little waddle because he's got a waddle. You see that? I'll put it right there. And I feel like the waddle is kind of shaped like an oval. So draw an oval, and then I've got to cut it out. Now, these scissors are big scissors. You guys have got little scissors, but I've got to do little bitty snips to make my turkey. All right, so there's my waddle. So I'll put it right here underneath the triangle. Okay, just like that. All right, and then what does he need? He needs some eyes. My turkey can't see yet. He certainly cannot run and hide if he can't see. So I have yellow construction paper. You can use anything that you have. Make an eye. And let me give him an eyeball in the middle. His eyes are circles. So I need to cut out the circles. You know what you could do? You don't even have to cut all the way out if you don't want to. You could do it like this. That gives you a bigger thing, a bigger area. I think I'll just make my eyes like that for my turkey. Now you could use anything that you have at your house that are circles as well. You could use little pom-poms, or they'd have to be kind of small. You could use buttons. If you have googly eyes, you could use those. So there's lots of things that you could use. I think I need a little bit more glue right there. So there we go. All right, now I have some feathers to put on my turkey. So, sorry, I'm actually inside, but the sun is really bright. So I wanted to be sitting where you could see, and it's better if it's well lit, but it was so bright, I was having a hard time seeing right here. So, but I like a sunny day, so that's fine. So I'm going to put my feather on. And there's another feather. Oh, these feathers are making my turkey kind of tall. So he's going to be harder to hide, isn't he? Here's another feather. See, I've got another one right here. And, oh, maybe one more feather over here. We'll count how many feathers I put on. Now, you don't have to put the same amount. But I will be sending you some feathers so you can make your turkey, okay? So I have a black feather and a blue feather and a green feather and a pink one and a purple one. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 feathers. So does that look sort of like a turkey? Yeah, I think so. Little turkey right there. So there's my turkey. So now my question for you guys, can you see my turkey right there, is can I build something to hide my turkey because he doesn't want to be found, right? So I grabbed some Legos from the classroom. Hopefully I grabbed enough. I don't know that I did. I might not be able to hide my turkey. But I'll put him right there. Let's see. All right, let's see if we can build and start out putting some stuff in front. You know? All right. Oh my goodness, it's going to have to be tall. All right. Starting to hide him. I think I'm going to have to make it taller on the back side. All right, that's all the Legos I have. I also have a couple of cups. Let's see if I can hide them there. And I have some popsicle sticks. Now, you might have some other things at your house that you could hide your turkey. Whoa, let's see if we can build something, because when that cook comes around, he does not want to be found. And, you know, the other thing that we've talked about that you can do with a turkey who's trying to not be eaten for Thanksgiving is you could dress them up. There's a little seesaw activity that I sent you guys if you want to dress your turkey, put him in a costume. So that's something else too. If you guys have, well, let's see if I can get the feather down. It's hard for me to see because it's so bright. Do you see the turkey hiding in there? Oh, I feel like his feathers are kind of sticking out. What could we do to keep the feathers from showing? All right, what if I put my popsicle sticks in front? Okay. Now, you guys may have more Legos than I have too, but I really need to hide these turkey feathers. So we can keep putting, okay. So that didn't work great. What else could we do? What if I've got an idea. All right, so there's my turkey. What if I put a cup over the turkey? If I put the feathers in the cup, what do you think? Okay, now can I build a structure this might work. Build a structure in front of my turkey. There. So the cook cannot find him. Whoa, that didn't stay. I don't even know that I need my popsicle sticks. Can you see the turkey? Let's see. Do you see the turkey in there? I think that might do it from the front. Let's see, I'm going to turn it around. No, I cannot tell. The only other thing I could do if I want to make it taller here, because my turkey and my cup is taller, or you know what else I could do? Here. I could put my turkey behind. Let's see. Put this closer. And then build. Oh, there we go. That works. All right, now I am looking forward to seeing how you guys are going to hide your turkey. All right? So, can you make a turkey? And if you can you hide him so that the cook doesn't find him and serve him for Thanksgiving dinner? All right, thanks, friends. Have a good rest of your day. Bye-bye.